Turn on the machine. Insert a USB flash drive containing DXF file. Turn on hand wheel mode. Press OUT1 to let the feeding cylinder send the material to the designated location. Press OUT2 to clamp the material. Press OUT1 to retrieve the feed cylinder. Press OUT4 to pop out the turning knife G54. Using the hand wheel, pointing at X, move the turning knife, G54, to the outermost end of the square material. Rotate the wood manually. Let the outermost corner of the wood touch the tool. Then, hold down check and press in twice. The XYZ axis coordinate will be changed to 0.000. Set the starting position of turning tool machining. Reclaim the turning knife. Adjust the origin of grinding wheel, G57. Click twice on Program Functions, PRG. Turn on MDI mode. Type G57 on the keyboard. And then click on EOB once. Press up to select G57. Then click Start once. And then the G54 on the controller will change to G57. Click Position, POS. Find the Act POS. Turn on hand wheel mode again. Press the arrow to open the grinding wheel, G57. Use the hand wheel to move the grinding wheel, G57, to the starting position of the machining. Approaching or touching wood. Then, hold down check and press in twice. Set the working origin of the grinding wheel, G57. XYAZ0. Spindle, G55, and end mill, G56. Use the same method to set the working origin. After you set up the working origin, returns the G54 coordinate. Turn on hand wheel or manual mode. Withdraw grinding wheel. Click back to safe location. After all the tools are set to the working origin, put the material to be processed on the material rack. put the material to be processed on the material rack. If need tools to automatically alternate work, you need to change this parameter to 1. Turn on MDI mode. Enter 1. Press the in. If you need 4 tools to work alternately, set to 3. Need 3 tools to work alternately, set to 2. Need 2 tools to work alternately, set to 1. Then you need to read the DXF file in the U disk. Then you need to read the DXF file in the U disk. Select the file on the USB flash drive. First, press out. Then enter a file name, for example, 20. Then press in. Then turn off connection milling, 0. You only need to start continuous milling when importing the first file. Then import the graphics used by the second tool. The file must be contiguous with the previous file. The previous file name was 20, this time use 21. Press Program, PRG. Find Program dir. Select File 20. Turn on Edit mode. Then press in. At this point, you can enter the required code. The code is the switch of the program. After the opening of the program is set, turn the page to the end of the program. Finally type M99. The program will loop automatically. Then press reset to go back to the top of the program. Enable automatic mode. Then press the start button. Start processing.
加工完这根停了就行了，加工那个哪一个？